Hi student, good morning. Today I start your political chapter, political first chapter, political parties in India or political parties in Indian democracy. Before start our chapter, first time we discuss some important things. What is the importance of political party in democracy? What is the importance of political parties? What is the importance of political parties? We learned this question at the first time. Okay, first time we learn what is political party. Okay, political party are those organizations who run the countries, who run the democratic country. Okay, in our previous classes we discussed about the democracy. In a democratic country, the political party are most essential. Political party are most essential. We know that ancient time, kings or queen, it means monarchical system. Monarchical system was followed where king or queen ruled the countries, but present time democracy process, that system of democracy followed by the all over the world. And importance of political party, if we discuss, then we say monarchical system was not proper for a big country because it was a system of centralization. The system of centralization. Only one king or only one person rule in over a area, in over a country. But political party are a process of decentralization. In ancient time, political party, in ancient time, the monarchical system, king, queen made the rules, and some kings, if you say, and those kings are say about like that. The French king, Louis, he say, I am the law. I am the law. I am the state. Okay, it's never possible. One person he never a law. One person he never a state. State it is a organization where people rule by themselves, the system. But one person is not law. One person is not state. But ancient time king was like that type of system. They thought like this. They are the law, they are the state. So the monarchical system is not importance for us. Okay, so we follow the democratic system, and democratic system political party are ruled. Political party are ruled by rule among the people. So it is the most important thing. Monarchical system, they thought they are the law, they are the state, but in a democratic country, political party are important. Ancient time are the monarchical system, but present time is democratic system. We choose our leader, we choose our representative. Okay, next. Without political party, second important point, without political party, democracy is meaningless. Without political party, democracy is meaningless. So most important thing, political party in a democratic country. If all the things are provided in a democratic country by the political parties, the system, government system, the administration, the government, the administration. Third point, the government. Fourth time, the administration. Fifth, the rule, regulation. Six, law. All the things are controlled by the political party. After they win the election. After win the election, political party are form the government in a democratic country. But monarchical system, only they follow hierarchical system. After kings die, after king dead, his son, his elder son made king. But democracy is not that type of system. Democratic is not that type of system. Democracy country are followed most important things. We choose our leader. The people of a country choose their leader. We participate in that democratic country. But monarchical system, they selected by the elder son. The king selected his elder son as a king. Okay, so it was not efficiency. It was not efficiency for our country, for present time countries, for present time worlds. Okay, these are the importance of political parties in India or in Indian democracy. Okay, now discuss about the some political party. In world you can find three types of political party. One is the single political party countries. Single political parties country. Single political party country. Example, China. And there is only one political party in place of China. And that political party are known as the Communist Party. Okay, CPM or Communist Party. Communist Party. Only one political party. So, the scholars, the political thinkers, they give opinion. China is not a proper democracy because there is only one political party. Okay. Next, there is some country by political party. There is some country by political parties. By means two. Okay. By means two. By political party. Two political party. Like the USA, America, United States of America, UK, United Kingdom, Great Britain, England. Those countries have the two political parties. So these countries are known as the bipolitical parties. And another country, some country follow the multi-party. Multi-party system. Multi-party system like our India. Okay, India is a big democracy in the world. Like India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, those countries are the multi-political party system. Okay, democracy, the political party are divided: single political party, bipolitical party, and multi-political party system. Okay, next thing we discuss about some history of in our political parties in India. History of political party in India. Okay, we know that INC is the first political party in our India. INC means Indian National Congress. This political party formed in 1885. This political party formed in 1885. It was the first political party in our India. Understand? And before this political party and political organization had formed in that time in 1883. In 1883, a political party organization, not political party, political organization had formed. That was the Indian Association. Indian Association. In the year of 1880, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. In 1885, Indian National Congress had formed. And this organization, Indian National Political Party, had formed by a British retired IS officer. His name was A.O. Hume. You can write, you can say A.O. Hume. It means full form Alan Octavian Hume. He was retired IS officer of England, of Britain. For his guidance, under his guidance, the Indian National Congress had formed in our India. Okay, understand? Next, in Indian National Congress, the first president was Indian National Congress first president was Umesh Chandra